So the first step is to take about 100 grams of butter, 90 grams of refined flour. Just gonna mix it nicely. I'm going to add some powdered sugar. At this stage we'll add about 1 cup of milk. So the dough is ready, and at this stage I'll add some dark chocolate or some chocolate chunks, and I'm gonna mix it again so that it combines well with the dough. My cookie dough is ready. This is how it looks, and now I'm gonna make small balls of it. I've shaped all the cookies nicely, and now I'm gonna get to the main step. Next, I'm gonna take a pressure cooker and I'm gonna add some salt to it just to cover the base of the pressure cooker. I've covered the base of the pressure cooker with some salt, and now I'm gonna preheat this. So for that, I've removed the whistle and the rubber of the pressure cooker, and I'm going to preheat for 15 minutes. I've preheated the salt, and now I'm going to add a vessel to it, a small bowl, and now I'll add the cookies, and now I'm going to cover it and I'm going to let it bake for 15 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to open it, and I'm going to make a design with a fork like so that it becomes crispy, and I'm going to cover it again and leave it for 10 minutes. I removed the lid of the pressure cooker after 15 minutes, and as you can see, the color of the cookie has changed. So it's ready now, and I'm going to take it out in a plate. My cookies are ready. This is how they look. They've turned out perfect. Do try this at home, and let me know in the comment section below how you guys liked it.